Okay, I bought Chloe a new ball, so I want to surprise her. Huh?
I'm the only one who's awake, and after the game, but eliminated.
Pokemon Patty, what you doing up? Ow! Whoa! Ow! Pokemon Patty, what are you doing up so late? And why is Wendy sleeping on Snoopy's bed?
Because she wants to.
Okay, well, can you wake up my little sister so I can give her the surprise?
Okay, sure. No, Peppermint. My name is not. Oh, what is it now? Guess what? What?
I got you a bouncy ball. You can go on it and then hop on it. Whoa!
Sorry.
Dang, it made me lose my hair. Oh, now I need to get a haircut. No, you have and the instruction said you go on it and you bounce.
Okay. Bam.
She loves it. Time to go to bed because it's so dark outside. Oh,
I'm sorry.
oh, what's wrong? Sorry, Big Papa, but I have to sleep on your stomach.
Oh, why did I have to sleep on the chair?
Naked ladies. That's why I have this blanket.
Dancing on the floor, jump.
Oh, come on. Okay, naked lady, I want to be right back. What you doing, Penguin?
I have to learn how to exercise so I can get.
You're gonna get skinny? Well, it's never gonna happen. You know, it's Charmander. I'm not. Charmander, what are you doing? Eat my trick-or-treat candy. What do you think I'm gonna be doing? Oh my god, when I do a clean room, your room's all a mess and there's cords on it. Well, shut up. That's why I stay hot. Huh. Okay, keep on eating what you're eating. Ooh, what did I got a toy?
My boy did give it to me.
Okay. Wait a minute. I feel paper cuts. What the heck?
This is fun.
Oh, come on. I was eating out the trash can. You eating out the trash can. That is not funny. Ow. Ow.
Time to play.
Ow.
Tony.
Ow. Why are you crying at anybody? Oh, my name is Cupid. Cupid, okay, Cupid. What's wrong?
Cupid. They hit me when you fight.
Who did, Sonic or?
Both.
So that's all that Whack is talking about. Okay, can you move? Hey, what's all that talking about? Oh! I dodged it. Oh! Oh, my face is in the pool. Since when you get a pool? So there's a kid that goes, they can dance on it. Okay, it's way too appropriate for a kid's show. Look at that pool. Why would someone dance on it?
Bounce. Ooh.
Oh, she goes up. Oh, sorry, Big Papa.
Now it's time to play my bedroom.
Oh, are you playing your iPad?
Yeah, I'm too way too tired.
Okay. Oh, well, luckily I have this just a kit on. Yeah, just get. Oh, let me see. Hey, how you doing? Not good. I mean, I just got hit in the morning. I got hit by my area. Well, pretty much, yeah. Yeah.
Someone said.
She's watching. Oh, she's watching videos on her iPad. Oh my god, why do we have to have reindeer? I don't know. What the heck? It's not even Christmas. Well, almost Christmas. Well, we celebrate Thanksgiving, and we don't even celebrate. I just bought some hot tamales. Hot tamales? Yep. Oh, wait. I like chili dogs, actually. Yeah, I like chili dogs. That's right. But my most favorite food is spicy tacos. I like spicy tacos. Spicy tacos. Oh yeah, I got the idea from Stein School, so sponsor him. Yeah, I think Stein School. Pretty much a lame. You don't call Stein School a lame. He's my hero. Well, you know what to say. Never meet your heroes. Why? Because they take drugs and die like that. Oh, what Chloe? What the heck is that?
This is my new big skirt.
That smells like your mom's gut. Oh, yeah, but you guys got toasted. You got toasted. You just got burned. How mean is that, honey? Oh! Oh, my face. I hope you have a bloody nose from that one. Penguin.
I can't believe I got my husband and then I get A+ on my homework at school today. A+, see?
This is F right there, see?
Oh, because she accidentally made an F, so I got it.
But why did she cross everything out like you got an F?
I know homework. See? Knew it. And this is your story where I was reading last time.
Oh, you want to know something? Your butt is so ugly, itches like your mama. Oh, your butt bites up a dog! Oh, dang it.
He said my mommy has a butthole. He said my butthole stinks.
I did not say anything like that.
Yes, he did. He liar.
Oh,
He
it
lied.
was Charmander. But he's already knocked out. That means it was you, huh? No. Oh, my end of my life. Oh! Whoa, why in the face in the pool again? Well, let's see that instant replay. Oh, you know what I mean? It's not an instant replay. It's an instant replay because you're going to do this. Oh, what you doing? Mm-hmm. No. No, please. No. 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 Oh, I'll take your big thanks to it. Hi, how you doing, Big Papa? Oh, I'm doing good. I'm just laying down. Why do you have a hole in your stomach? It's not your fault. Oh, I can't lose weight. That's a good idea. Come on, Big Papa. Let's go sleep now.
I need spit.
Oh! You got hit in the area too now. You're lucky you have big hands. Yep, pretty much. Oh, why my area?
I can't believe I
Yeah.
did that.
Penguin, how you doing? Why are you looking at the corner? There's like nothing on the wall.
What you're talking about, huh?
Boom! Your mama sucks. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Gonna make my fire tail go pow.
Your mom sucks.
I love Bitty Finn.
Potato.
Oh! Ooh, got snapped. Oh, they did it! Oh, oh!
Never touched by mom.
Ow!